Hello, my name is Yaroslav and I am captain of Ionic team. And I would like to introduce my teammate Evgeny, who will talk a few words about our team and our experience with implementation of different projects, etc.
Hello, we are the team. We all work in one company and we have created this company almost 20 years ago. We have developed many complex projects in IT industry for our customers and for our inspiration. One of our products have been used by Nokia, Mitsubishi, Toyota, Canon during exhibitions and representing new models. And we are proud that we have been using AI algorithms in the product that we did. I would like to introduce members of our team. He is Vitaly, who is a technical and operation manager and specialist. And here is Oleg, who will...
I'm in the IT industry for 20 years and taking part in different distributed teams. So I'm happy to be part of Newgrounds R&D and take the challenge. We share the same values. That's how we became a team.
And last but not least, I would like to introduce our approach to solving this contest problem. So having experience in near-revolutionary computational algorithms, we would like to apply it for creation of autonomous intelligent agents which will do control of autonomous drone behavior. Also, unfortunately, we was not able to introduce other our team members today, but we have mechanical engineer in our team, electronics engineer in our team, so we hope they will help us with this part of context as well. And finally, I would like to mention that our team have experience with participation in several online contests related to the artificial intelligence and machine learning. I personally participated in contests from Top Coder and Kaggle and know how to do work under stress and how to cope with it. Also, we have some research and development activity which has resulted in publishing of articles in such places as Archive and ResearchGate. You can find the links in the supplied materials. So I hope to see you on the contest. And thank you very much.